Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra robot vacuum and mop combo. This device is packed with cutting-edge features that are going to change the way you clean your home forever. From its advanced AI obstacle avoidance to its powerful suction and mopping capabilities, this robot is a game changer. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First off, the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra boasts an incredible advanced AI obstacle avoidance system. This means it can identify over 200 different household objects, from furniture to pet toys, and expertly navigate around them. But what really impressed me was its ability to detect pet accidents and create a safe buffer zone of 150 millimeters to avoid any messes. It can even get as close as 8 millimeters to furniture, making sure every inch of your floor is cleaned. This level of precision is thanks to its dual RGB cameras and AI chips, which work together to provide instant reactions to any hazards. The result is a reliable and precise cleaning experience that's hard to match. Another standout feature of the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra is its edge-to-corner mop coverage. This robot doesn't just clean the open areas of your floor. It extends and swings its mop to get into all the tight spaces, including under toe kicks and into corners. With 8 in of downward pressure, it can scrub away even the toughest messes, ensuring that your entire floor is sparkling clean. I was amazed at how well it performed in my own home, getting into areas that my old vacuum could never reach. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, or carpet, this robot is equipped to handle it all. But what really sets the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra apart is its quiet self-emptying base with hot water wash. This thing is a beast when it comes to maintenance. The self-emptying dock uses hot water to wash the mop, finishing with a rinse at 167 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure it's completely clean. It then dries automatically to prevent any odors from building up. And with a 2.5L dust bag that can store up to 120 days worth of debris, you'll rarely need to empty it. This means you can just set it and forget it, knowing that your floors are being taken care of without any hassle. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is being cleaned efficiently and effectively is priceless. The NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra also delivers when it comes to suction power, with an impressive 18,000 pascals that captures dust, crumbs, and pet hair with ease. The certified tangle-free brush, combined with EdgeSwing technology, ensures deep cleaning along walls and edges without any hair wrap. And with the DualFlow anti-tangle system, you don't have to worry about brush clogs or tangles. The side brushes sweep hair into the roller, and a strong suction burst transfers it directly into the dustbin, reducing tangles and minimizing post-cleaning work. This means you can enjoy a thoroughly cleaned home without the hassle of constantly maintaining your vacuum. In conclusion, the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an incredible piece of technology that's going to revolutionize the way you clean your home. With its advanced AI obstacle avoidance, edge-to-corner mop coverage, quiet self-emptying base, and powerful suction, it's the ultimate cleaning solution for any home. So, if you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game and experience the future of cleaning today, be sure to check out the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra.